If you're considering enhancing your car's security measures, investing in a car security camera is a wise choice. Not only does it safeguard you while driving, but it also serves as a surveillance system for your parked vehicle. This additional layer of protection not only ensures the safety of your car, but also grants you peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle is constantly monitored. The car camera acts as an extra pair of eyes on the road, ensuring the safety of drivers and providing valuable evidence in the event of incidents or accidents. We have listed the top 5 best security cameras for cars in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each car security camera in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is REDTIGER Front Rear HD Dash Camera. The REDTIGER Front Rear HD Dash Camera is a comprehensive solution that takes your vehicle security to unparalleled heights in 2024. Its remarkable capability to record simultaneously in 4K Ultra HD, 3840*2160p, and Full HD 1080p resolutions lies at the core of its functionality. This dual recording setup ensures meticulous capture of crucial details, including road signs and license plates, optimizing evidence retention in unforeseen situations like collisions. This advanced dash cam effectively reduces blind spots with its wide-angle lenses, with a 170-degree view in the front and 140 degrees in the rear. It ensures a comprehensive perspective for enhanced safety and preservation of evidence. It features an impressive ultra-large f1.5 aperture, a 6-layer optical lens, and HER/GVDR technology. The convenience of Wi-Fi and smart app control allows seamless management of the dashcam through the REDTIGER app on your iOS or Android device. The integrated GPS capability of this device allows for recording your driving route, real-time speed, and location. You can conveniently access this information through Google Maps using the app or the GPS Player software on Windows and Mac. This remarkable feature not only enhances the evidentiary value in the event of accidents, but also strengthens the security of your vehicle. With the dedicated hardware kit, the 24-hour parking monitor ensures continuous recording in parking mode with a time-lapse function. If you're interested in this dash car's camera, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is Rexing V1 P4K Car Dash Cam. The Rexing V1 P4K Car Dash Cam is one of the most innovative and advanced car security cameras available in 2024. With its sleek and inconspicuous design, it captures the road while remaining discreet. This dash cam offers a dual-channel recording feature, allowing you to record from 2 perspectives simultaneously. By connecting the discrete rear camera to the front camera, you can monitor both the front and rear of your vehicle, significantly enhancing your overall safety and security. The front camera of the Rexing V1P captures high-definition 1080p video at 30 fps, delivering crisp and clear footage. Its wide dynamic range technology automatically adjusts exposure to produce well-balanced images in any lighting condition, ensuring reliability day and night. The Rexing V1P supports loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest recordings when the memory card reaches capacity, guaranteeing that no precious moments are missed. This dash cam is compatible with microSD cards of UHI Class 10 or higher, allowing for a storage capacity of up to 256 gigabytes. It goes beyond just a recording device. It serves as your silent witness on the road. In case of a collision, the gravity sensor automatically locks the current video, ensuring it won't be overwritten. With the parking monitor feature, your car is under 24-hour protection, providing peace of mind even when parked. If you want to purchase this car dash camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box. Number 3 is the ROVE R24K GPS Car Dashboard Camera. The ROVE R24K GPS car dashboard camera is undoubtedly one of the leading contenders in the world of automotive security cameras in 2024. This exceptional device's core strength lies in its ability to record videos in stunning 2160p resolution to its 4K Ultra HD recording capability. Its clarity and quality are remarkable, setting it apart from the competition. With its Super Night Vision technology, which combines a 6-glass lens, f1.5 aperture, and XSONI IMX335 sensor. It is able to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions. With the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6, managing your recordings becomes effortless by using the ROVE app on your iOS or Android devices. With impressive speed, you can effortlessly download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone, enabling easy sharing on social media with friends and family. This dash cam features a built-in GPS that accurately tracks your location and speed, providing the ability to view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps. This camera is equipped with a wide range of cutting-edge features, such as a supercapacitor, parking mode, motion detection, a wide 150 degrees + angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, and even time-lapse video recording. It offers support for micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes in size with a Class 10 U3 speed rating, ensuring ample storage capacity. And if you like this car security camera, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Skyview B2 GPS-security camera. The Skyview B2 GPS-security camera is an immaculate choice for safeguarding your car in 2024. It is packed with an array of powerful features, and it offers comprehensive security and peace of mind. This dash cam precisely captures every detail and boasts 1080p Full HD resolution at a smooth 60 fps. Its exceptional night vision, powered by a Sony Exmor image sensor and 6 high-quality glass lenses, ensures clear and vibrant recordings even in low-light conditions. With its wide-angle lens, this camera offers an expansive 140-degree view, eliminating blind spots and ensuring thorough monitoring of adjacent lanes. With the integration of GPS, it accurately records your location, speed, and direction, providing an additional layer of security and accountability. It seamlessly connects to the Skyview app through the built-in Wi-Fi feature, allowing convenient access and effortless management of recordings from your iOS or Android devices. Furthermore, this advanced camera not only captures footage of the front, but also the interior of your vehicle. Its sturdy construction allows it to withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius or -70 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for diverse climates. The parking mode provides continuous surveillance, ensuring round-the-clock protection for your vehicle. To get this GPS car camera right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 5 is 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera. When choosing the optimal car security cameras for 2024, it is essential to select a dependable and versatile option that ensures constant vehicle surveillance, even in your absence. The 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera is unparalleled and renowned for its groundbreaking features and effortless installation. This state-of-the-art camera surpasses conventional Wi-Fi connectivity by leveraging the fast and reliable 4G LTE network. With efficient power management, this camera can continuously record for up to 10 hours on a single charge. By setting it to low sensitivity settings, you'll enjoy over 20 days of coverage. The camera operates on a motion-activated system, capturing footage only when it detects movement. The 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera takes security up a notch with radar motion detection that surpasses traditional PIR technology. It boasts an extended 12-meter detection range, making it ideal for car surveillance, even through glass. Regarding storage, this camera provides 2 options: SD card and cloud storage. The built-in SD card slot can handle up to 128 gigabytes, automatically removing old videos to save you the trouble of manual deletions. If you prioritize data security, the camera also supports encrypted cloud services, ensuring your data is protected to the fullest extent. So, to buy this car's 4G cellular security camera, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. After reviewing each of the top 5 best security cameras for cars in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. No matter what your surveillance needs are, one of these best security cameras should definitely fulfill them. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your car is always protected. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.